Hi guys, my name is Mike, and today I'll be showing you the review on the Nerf Zombie Strike attack gun. If this is one where it has 1, 2, 4 cylinder like bullet holders, sling attachment point. This, so pull the trigger like that, and then to lock and or like that. To lock and load, guys, you have to I'll say that. To lock and load it, you have to pull this lever shown on the camera. You want to pull it back and forward. And shoot. Now I'll be going to collect that bullet, so I'll be back, guys. So, sorry guys about that. I just shot a bullet. Shot a bullet. And yeah, I went to retrieve it, and some of the only thing I don't like about this is that like it does have a rail thing, whatever you want to call it. Me personally, I don't know much about Nerf guns. One month ago, I had my birthday. It was on a Saturday, and then the next day, I went to my dad's house, and my dad's landlord got this Zombie Strike Nerf gun for me, and it's pretty sweet. Like, as you can see, this side is pretty cool, and then this side's just really just plain. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. But hang on, I'll be back. So, right guys, I just went to get my brother's Nerf gun. To get this barrel out, you just press this button and hard down, and then let go, and it will lock in place, and you can withdraw your bullet. you have, this is my brother's Nerf gun, sling attachment, and yeah, now I want to show you guys some, these are the green elite dots. You can't, God damn it, failure. Bye guys, see you later. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Please share this video with your family and friends. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I hope you had a great day. And I don't want to make these two separate videos, so I'll just carry on. So there's like 3 videos in one. They're pretty short. Yes, a few months back, I got these handcuffs. Now, they're key locked. That's why I have keys to them. Keys are included. Where did I get this from? I got it from the pound store on James Street. Oh, I just got it from the pound store. I don't know what street it is. Yeah. By the way, comment down below if you're a YouTuber and you live in Brighton, because that's where I live, in Brighton. But of course I can't tell you my address name because that's illegal. Or is it? So yeah, and as you can see right now, they are both locked, and I know a technique. If you actually lock it, then the first key you use is when you unlock it. Yeah, so like, yep, unlocked it. The key you use for the first one, you need to use the opposite one, or sometimes you. So as you can see, okay, so pretend that this is your first key you use. Unlock it like so, then so I used this key. Now for the other one I want to use this key. And so like you started off with this, you would use this one. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And yeah, my brother's been really annoying in the background if you can't hear him. But yeah, as I said before, please like and subscribe. Here's a really good tip for you. If you're subscribed, unsubscribe, because all you need to do is, if it's red, undo it, because if you do it and it's white and you have a bell, and on the third one, it will be like you get a message when you there's another video from all of you guys, so all of you guys can watch what I made. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, I will see you guys